Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing materials and making the first lens. Cut a clear plastic bottle to form a flat ring, then trim an even circular window. This becomes the lens holder. Once done, suspend a water droplet in the center using tape or a small well so it forms a convex lens. Water's surface tension creates curvature and magnification. Make sure to work slowly so the droplet is centered. Precision here determines focal strength. You now shape and refine the lens for clear magnification. Gently add or remove water to increase or decrease curvature. A rounder droplet gives stronger magnification but shorter focal length. Once adjusted, place black paper under your subject to boost contrast, then move the lens slowly toward and away from the object until text or details snap into focus. If needed, swap the droplet with a small glass bead for a crisper image. That changes how light bends. You finish by stabilizing and protecting your homemade magnifier. Tape the plastic ring to a base so the droplet or bead cannot wobble. This preserves the focal distance. If the image blurs or shows double edges, clean the surface, reshape the droplet to be symmetric, and remove air bubbles. These distortions alter refraction. Make sure ambient light is adequate. Too much reflection or grime reduces clarity. Lastly, practice small adjustments. Tiny moves often solve focus issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.